The integrated multifunctional protective cap features transfer, scanning, and protection. It is easy to operate inside the mouth, has high positioning accuracy, and is convenient for circulation disinfection. The appearance is arc-shaped. When installed inside the mouth, it causes no discomfort, reduces the degree of full and half mouth opening for patients, and improves overall comfort. The impression cap is consistent with the size of the multi-unit abutment. There is no need to scan the gum cuff during scanning. The impression cap is consistent with the size of the multi-unit abutment. There is no need to scan the gum cuff during scanning. It can solve special cases with small interdental spaces. Install the impression cap after immediate loading surgery. Intraoral casting. The lab skin plaster mold is digitized. Final repair intraoral scanning. Immediate repair of intraoral scan. Case presentation. Import the scan data into the design software and select the corresponding database to start the design. Match the database and check if it is in place. The diameter tolerance is recommended to be within 0.05 mm, and the height is recommended to be flattened as much as possible, with a tolerance of 0.02 mm. Uneven height may cause the Malong bridge to pry open. Machinable multi-unit base implant library options. Model try-on instant teeth. Wear teeth in the mouth. The final restoration was carried out, and the model was tried on to wear the bridge crown.